Hello, Assalamualaikum. How are you everyone? My name is Mohammed. So today we are making, this is my first video and I will be publishing this video in my Instagram channel. So we will be unboxing my sister new laptop she got from the Prime Minister Youth Laptop Scheme 2025. She got a first position or distinction I think in her class. So because of this she got this laptop. So we are opening this laptop, see what company is this laptop from, also and how much GB does it have, also the RAM. So first of all, it is written already here how much RAM and GB storage does it have. It has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB. So also its CPU is AMD Ryzen 5 7430U. Also this laptop was manufactured in 2025, not 2026. So this the laptop is heavy, okay, little bit heavy. Also we got this bag from Prime Minister G. We can put this laptop in this bag. So also this bag for traveling too. So this is a grey color laptop. Look at this logo. This logo, man, Prime Minister Youth, and also this company. This company name is MACROVE. I don't know how to pronounce this, so tell me how to pronounce this first of all. Also we got this. Let's see what is this inside it. Warranty card. Also it is a warranty card and it is a packing list. Yeah, packing list. It has two adapters, 3 manual, 4 warranty card and 1 backpack. Okay. So this is his charger. This looks like a mobile charger first of all. In my Infinix mobile charger. How many watt is this? 45 watts. 45 watts. So this is 45 watts. This is the Type C charger. Yeah, Type C mobile charger. Also, look at this. First of all, the mobile charging port here. I think the charging port is here. And free. Also the SIM card. We can put the SIM card if we need more storage, because I have already told you it has 256 GB. Always open it from the center because you can break your hinge. The hinge is this. To remember this, hinge is this. You can break it if you open from this here. If you open your laptop from your edges, you can break your hinges easily. Also, let's open this laptop. Where can I? How do you open this laptop? Huh? How do you open this laptop? So I have seen one thing here. I can close my camera. Look, if I'm doing something, watching movies or doing some of my work or doing something like changing clothes, I can close it. I close my camera so no one can watch it. So no one can watch me. That is a good. Also the power button. I found it. The power button is here. The laptop is not charged. I have to charge this laptop first of all. The mouse pad is rough, not smooth. So little bit, it has some friction here. So it will be hard to move my mouse pad here. So this is some disadvantage here. So I have opened this bag from this sheet. So I have seen this. The color is very good of this bag. Also the logo is matching the bag color too. Also this fabric is very good too. Look at it, it has 2 zips. One here in this pocket, so we can put any like my adapter or charger adapter or USB anything here. Also there is another laptop. So I'm putting this laptop in this laptop compartment to check does it fit or not. So it's fitting, but there is some gap here. So little bit small. The compartment is little bit small. Big zip and the small zip, and it has only one space. One for the laptop compartment, and one for putting my books and other accessories like my, I don't know what to put here. Only books. I know only books here. I can put this laptop. I will rate this bag 10 out of 10 because free. If anything is free, so it is 10 out of 10. So I have opened this laptop and I have found 2 problems in this laptop. First of all is that this at the rate button is here. in this comma sign, and this comma sign is in the @ button. So the keyboard has some problem. Also, the battery runs out very fast, like in less than 3 hours, and also its battery charge is fast. But this is the problem, that it runs out so fast. Look, I only used this laptop for like 20 minutes, but it's 25% of the battery has been gone. Look, it has been 75% is left. And saying 6 hours, but it's not 6 hours. It will go in 2 hours. So this is my final review of this laptop. So I will give this laptop 3 out of 5.